The Nokia 9 PureView arrives in the United States only days after being announced at the NWC. Not only that, but it will start at $100 from your retail price, so you can get one for $599 instead of $699. What is the Nokia 9 PureView? It is the latest clean Android phone from Nokia, but it is unique since it has 5 Zeiss cameras in the back. Those 5 cameras shoot simultaneously at 12 MP and try to capture as much light and detail as possible on a smartphone. The phone also has pure Android like all Nokia phones, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM, a QHD 5.99 QHD screen, 128GB of storage, 20 MP front camera, wireless charging, IP67 water and dust resistance, USB-C 3.1 port, and a 3320 mAh battery. From March 3 to March 10, the Nokia 9 PureView is falling to $599.99 wherever it is sold. That includes Best Buy, Amazon and B&H Photo. The lower price makes the phone much more attractive, especially given that it will receive Android updates for 2 years and security updates for 3.